but maybe they're tolerant. I don't know. But you know, you can always electrify with this.
There we go. All right. We are 0 or nothing. Make some noise for these guys. We're doing a song by All Nation called Sail.
Okay.
And then all these brilliant people here wrote their own song called Rock and Roll Zombies.
Rock and Roll Zombies, yeah!
And then stick around for Megan and the Dirty Socks.
I got my little rock and roll zombie up there. Unfortunately, he's standing behind the big kid. But I will try to get a bit more. We might have to go over to this side to get it. But I think we're going to switch it up in the next song. Yes, see him? It's behind the big kid in front. So lead song. Still hiding behind. He's going to play the drums. He didn't want to play the piano. Oh no.
Testing. Check, check. Check.
Alright. This next one is called Rock and Roll Zombies.